Hey everyone, this video is about this error for Valorant. Please close other Riot Games products before signing out. So to fix this error, let's get started. On your keyboard, press Windows key and R to open up Run. Type in there msconfig and then click OK. On the top, click on Services. Then at the bottom in here, select this option, Hide All Microsoft Services. In here, look for VGC and make sure it's checked. And after that, just click Apply and OK. You should be able to see Riot Vanguard running in here. If not, then just go to your local disk C drive. And then after that, Program Files. And over here, look for Riot Vanguard folder. Then open up VG Tray. After that, you should be able to see the Riot Vanguard is running at the bottom in here. And now we need to close it. So just right click on it and select Exit Vanguard. Then click on Yes. And next we need to uninstall Riot Vanguard and Valorant. So to do that, just right click on Windows Start button and open up Settings. On the left, click on Apps. And after that, select Install Apps. In the search bar, type Riot. And uninstall both of them, Riot Vanguard and Valorant. Once you uninstall Riot Vanguard and Valorant, you need to restart your computer. After you restarted your computer, you can go to Valorant official website and reinstall it again. I've also left the link in the video description. So in case you have reinstalled it but you're still having a problem, then you can go ahead with the next step. So to do that, just log out from your account and close everything. Go to local disk C drive and open up Riot Games folder. Then Riot Clients. Next, UX folder. Then over here, look for Riot Client ux.exe and make sure to run it as administrator. Now you can log into your account and hopefully this should fix the issue. Also, please don't forget to let me know in the comments below if these solutions worked out for you. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.